My favorite thing about Shaping the Future is that the conference reflects a healthy school community. We literally take an active living break. And to me, the whole conference, implementing that, serving nutritious food, building positive relationships, and setting up a positive environment is reflective of what a healthy school community should look like. And so it's like Ever Active Schools has nailed it. They're walking the talk. Come to our conference, live in a healthy surrounding for the weekend, and take that back to your school.
It's laughter, it's fun, it's engagement, it's meaningful and it's impactful in more ways than just from an educational lens.
Shaping the Future is that place where we get all those excited, like-minded people together who can then go back out and have the energy to continue doing what they're doing in their schools and in their offices, wherever they are at. I think it's a piece that energizes.
What Shaping the Future has provided for me is that real clear foundation of what comprehensive school health is all about.
So this is their opportunity to see it and live it and breathe it. And then opportunity to see the why, right? The research is there. So it's kind of, you kind of get the best of all worlds when you're at Shaping the Future. And then you get a wellness break.
The people who plan and are involved in launching it, Ever Active Schools, is really good at taking feedback and using it for future years to just improve and make sessions and connections and topics better.